Recover Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can recover your Telegram account without phone number. Now if your phone number is missing and you're unable to log in into your Telegram account, now unfortunately there's no such way of recovering your account without a phone number. So Telegram only generates with a phone number, and when you're actually trying to log in into your account or creating an account, it's going to send you an OTP through an SMS which you have to enter in, and then you can just create your account. But if you don't have a phone number and want to recover your Telegram account, then you'll not be able to do it so unless and until if you don't contact a customer service team and state about the issue. You have to provide a valid reason, providing the information and all that, and only then you'll be able to recover your Telegram account without a phone number. However, this might not be able to work, but then you can just give it a try and that's gonna fix your issue. So in this way you can recover your Telegram account without a phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.